The Story of Three Fishes. In a pond there lived 3 fishes. The first was very wise and far-sighted. The second had average thinking, and the third was careless and stubborn. One day, some fishermen came near the pond and talked about throwing their nets. The first fish said, "We must leave immediately. Danger is near." Without wasting time, it quickly swam to the other side of the pond. The second fish thought for a while and then cleverly hid in the water until it found a safe way to escape. But the third fish laughed and said, "This is just drama. Nothing will happen to us." When the fishermen threw their net, the third fish was caught. Moral: only those who make timely decisions avoid harm. Carelessness always leads to danger.